right, Chief Meteorologist Shannon O'Donnell joining me now on this KOMO weather warn day. A big change in the weather. We're talking about a blizzard.
Yeah, we are, which is just such an about face from what we've dealt with for the past over 2 weeks. It's the 16th of December. The entire month has been warm, wet, and windy in a relentless fashion. And look at this terrible view of the flooding from early this morning, courtesy of Matthew, again, flying his drone there over the town of Pacific after that levee broke. And look at the devastation. So many cars likely lost at this point beneath some of those floodwaters. The water into several homes there as well. It looks like probably a couple of dozen at least from this vantage point. And this is just one shot of block after block with that high water rushing in early this morning in the town of Pacific. Unfortunately, it is just pouring again tonight. We have terribly gusty winds. We have that ongoing threat for landslides. It's just the constant punching of these gusty winds and the heavy rain in that already totally waterlogged soil that is just making the ground so unstable. Tree damage so likely because even the deep-rooted trees have a struggle of a time trying to hang on when the ground is so very sopping wet. And Preston's right. All of a sudden, we go totally in the other direction from warm, wet, and windy to cold, wet, and windy as we head toward Wednesday morning. It's been storming all evening here in the Emerald again, and probably in your town as well. You can see actually a bit of a clearer evening underway at the moment in the Emerald after we had such heavy rain and all of the ponding water even on I-5. But SeaTac at the moment reporting dry conditions. The cold front has not come through yet. It is still a whopping 54. About 10 degrees above average again, and not just warm but very windy. There you can see the bend in the winds. That is exactly where the cold front is lining up. Look at the wind as it's approaching, gusting to about 50 apiece for Aberdeen and Astoria, already gusting to 44 in Everett, and expecting some very gusty winds in the north end of the sound here as we head after midnight. That's why we're losing power, and we're talking about tree damage here with the storm coming in. But look at us breaking the connection to the subtropics. It has been over 2 weeks of Pineapple Express style atmospheric rivers, keeping the snow level up and keeping the rain coming down. You can see the heavy rain continuing to push across parts of Puget Sound tonight, including in the southwest interior here out of Morton and Mossy Rock, just coming down there. But unfortunately also on the east side of King County, where outside of Maple Valley, the rains have been in excess of an inch an hour. A lot of that water eventually draining back toward the Kent Valley, which is why the levees are just having such a difficult time there for the Green and the Cedar and the White Rivers. Temperatures tonight continuing to come up one more time, nearly 60 in Kelso. We've made it to 60 in the Yakima Valley, so we need a turn of events. Finally seeing that happen with our next weather maker being the colder air filling in. That blizzard warning, as we spoke about, in place as we head into Wednesday. We're going to pick up plentiful snow up in the Cascades, and by late tomorrow afternoon, we're actually back to normal. Spotty lowland showers, the winds easing, and snow where it belongs. Back in the Cascades, including over the passes. Snoqualmie Pass with the blowing snow tonight, picking up 5 to 10 inches of snow, and quite a bit more for Mount Baker and for Stevens Pass. So wet and windy overnight, but we're starting to cool down. That is the big change we needed. The temperatures to drop, so that brings the snow level down. Look at the highs tomorrow just in the mid-40s out of Bellevue, North Bend, Gig Harbor, and Bremerton. That's where we belong the last couple of weeks. Gusty winds, 50 to 60 mile per hour gusts tonight around Whidbey Island, Port Angeles, and Friday Harbor. Power outages very likely, along with a lot of tree damage. Ocean beaches, we're also gusting 50 to 60 tonight. And eastern Washington, this wind and rain is coming in your direction too, but the cool down is as well. Look at Cle Elum, 38. Preston, that's where we have belonged for the last couple of weeks. We just weren't able to get there. A weather warning continues through tomorrow just because it's so nasty overnight. We're going to have the lingering flooding, the lingering wind damage, heavy snow in the Cascades. We were talking about past travel earlier. Later tomorrow afternoon, it should get better again. But boy, early tomorrow morning, heavy snow even over Snoqualmie Summit.
All right. Thanks, Shannon.
Of course.